Toilet bowl brush and holder set. This toilet bowl brush comes with a compact holder for convenient storage that catches water drips and puddles to keep your floors dry. Under rim brush scrubber. Its built-in rim scrubber thoroughly cleans the hard-to-reach spots to give your bathroom toilet that squeaky clean look. Heavy-duty brush head for fast cleaning. Constructed with long-lasting, tough bristles, this premium toilet brush provides a deep clean with every use for lasting shine. Non-slip handle. Ergonomic design with soft grip for superior comfort and a non-slip handle to maximize cleaning control even if it gets wet. Compact, matching storage caddy, perfect for commercial and residential use. This discreet freestanding toilet wand and holder boasts a compact design. To clean and prolong the life of this corner cleaner brush, simply wash with a mild soap and water. Top reviews from the United States. Why pay more for a brush to clean your bowl? Great value, very efficient design. Most other toilet bowl brush holders cost way too much just for a specific color or design which won't necessarily clean well. The stylish one I had before simply fell apart. Why pay so much for so little? This Pine Sol brand toilet brush may not be fancy but it is practical, comes with a holder, is affordable, will not fall apart. Very happy with this purchase, wouldn't recommend anything else.